Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the payment method in the Google Play Store. So open up the Google Play Store, and at the very top right, let's tap on your profile. Now from here, an easy way to change that payment method is for an already existing subscription or purchase. So let's tap on where it says Payments and Subscriptions. And then midway down, let's tap on subscriptions. This will show you any existing subscriptions. You can see in my case, Google One. If I want to change the payment method for this subscription, I can just tap on Google One. And now from here, you can see it says primary payment method, and it's my Amex card. But I can just tap on the update button and then just change that to whichever other one I want, either an existing payment method, or I can go down and hit add a credit or debit card to update a new primary payment method. However, if you don't necessarily have a subscription, you can always go back out of here, and instead of that, tap on payment methods, and go through this process of tapping on add a credit or debit card, enter in that new payment details, and go through the process of removing the old credit cards or debit card so that it uses this new payment method going forward. I hope this helps. If that said, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.